Ninja IG651 Foodi Smart Extra Large Pro 7-in-1 Indoor Grill and Griddle Combo, used open or closed, with Griddle, air fryer, dehydrate and more. Pro Power Grate Flat Top Griddle Crisper Smarter Thermometer Plug. Hi, welcome my friend. Meet Ninja's most powerful grill. The Ninja Foodi Smart Extra Large Pro Grill and Griddle with a 500 independent powered grill. Get direct edge to edge in high heat for perfect char grilled results. It even unlocks barbecue griddling to cook food other grills cannot. Grill, griddle, air fry, and so much more, all in one family-sized appliance. Based on Grill Grate's direct heating element. What's in the box? Ninja Foodi Smart Extra Large Pro Grill and Griddle, Non-Stick Power Grill Grate, Non-Stick Flat Top Barbecue Griddle, Foodi Smart Thermometer, and Quick Start Recipe Guide. To get the product, you can click on the link below the video. Do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification button. Thank you.